Hello, everybody. Thank you and welcome back to this YouTube channel, Datrava Realtors. We are rebranding. I've been away for a while and I'm coming back better to serve us, well loaded, well repackaged. So please kindly follow this channel. Kindly continue to watch for educational and informative content. So I'm going to give us all the best information that we are needed to grow your real estate investing. So this channel is the best bet for you. We have newly listed properties, prime properties, properties in prime locations, investment opportunities in real estate that offer you the higher return on investment. So you can get me on +234 703 019 7525. You can equally chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm active on WhatsApp. So all your investment opportunities in real estate will be uploaded on this uh, YouTube channel. It will be uploaded on this YouTube channel. So please, we are and better, back and better. All that you needed to know, all your real estate investment needs will be taken care of in this YouTube channel. So no more slacking, no more going back. So we are rebranding and we are going to serve you. Look for the travel realtors and watch out here for luxury and premium real estate assets located in prime locations, real estate investment opportunities like we have a real estate cashback where you can invest your money and earn up to 30 to 40% ROI per annum. The investment opportunity is secured and guaranteed, has been paying out billions in investment maturity. Like 2023, a whopping sum of 8.7 billion naira was paid out. It is an investment that offers and guarantees you a higher return on investment. The money made from this is used to invest in real estate development, purely for real estate development. Many investors are smiling to the bank. So kindly root for us, kindly root for the travel realtors. So everything is now more better, and as a business, we are going to do and serve you more better. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly book for free 30 minutes real estate investing consultation for free of charge. I will look into your concerns and advise you properly. I'm a certified and professional real estate investment expert. Thank you and God bless you.